Greetings, wizards of finance! Welcome back to our channel, your mystical realm of accounting and QuickBooks magic. Today, we're going to reveal the spell to effortlessly mark invoices as paid in QuickBooks Online. So grab your virtual wands and let's conjure some financial wizardry. And before we dive into it, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. So, marking an invoice as paid in QuickBooks, it gives you some benefits. Like it ensures that your financial records is always accurately reflected the payments you've received. This is crucial for maintaining a clear and up-to-date picture of your business's financial health and structure. Now, QBO updates your accounts in real time so you can see the impact of marked payments immediately. This helps you make informed decisions based on your current cash flow, and QBO can automatically reconcile payments with corresponding invoices and reducing the risk of errors and simplifying the bank reconciliation process. How good and cool is that, right? And most of the time, making invoices as paid triggers notifications to your customers, right? Confirming that their payment has been received. This enhances transparency and fosters trust with your clients. And QBO generates aging reports that show the status of your outstanding invoices, and it ensures that you report and pay the correct amount of taxes, such as tax or VAT. And at the end, it reduces the risk of penalties and audits. Now, you can also anticipate when payments when will be received and plan your expenses accordingly. You don't have to do it you don't have to need a physical storage space for paper invoices and receipts. It helps declutter your office and reduce the risk of document loss because we are going digital now. If you are using the same version that I have, all you gotta do is hover to your left part of your interface, go here at where it says new, click that, and in the customers tab, you go to our receive payment. Okay, it'll take a while. Hold on, it's supposed to be here. Let's check. All right, there you go. Sorry, it took a while. And then you have your customer here, your customer name. So we have, if you watch some of our videos in the past, we have created dummy accounts for training and tutorial purposes. So let's say um create invoice. Now all you gotta do is the email is already here. So because we have a um limited options when modifying this account because it's not really a real account. It's not a live account. So let's say you set the payment date today. And then the payment method is, let's say we use credit card for this one. You type in the reference number and deposit to the your intentions of doing the marking recording your payment. All right. So we have a description here, right? The due date, the original amount, the open balance, and the payment, and amount they will receive. Let's say, and then all gotta do is save and close. But since again this is not a live account, so we're limited here. But once again, thank you for joining us in the magical accounting journey. If you find this spellbinding tutorial enchanting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mystical QuickBooks adventure. If you have any questions or need assistance, please leave a comment below. I'm reading all your comments and I'm more than happy to take your suggestions and feedbacks. Until next time, may your financial books be as balanced as a wizard's spell book. Happy bookkeeping and see you on the next video. Peace.